ROBEL has been manufacturing machines and equipment for track construction and maintenance for over 100 years. At its headquarters in Freilassing in Bavaria, the company develops and manufactures products for safe and efficient track construction and maintenance in close cooperation with customers from all over the world. Economically efficient maintenance work depends on the reliable availability of track construction machinery. Only regular servicing and maintenance of a machine can secure long service life and value preservation. ROBEL is both a manufacturer and service partner, providing a wide range of services and so creating better reliability and product availability. Our services range from regular servicing, maintenance and recertification work through to full technical overhauls as well as modifications and training. All of this throughout a product's service life. In addition to that, ROBEL carries out servicing work and machine demonstrations at the Freilassing premises and at customer sites. Specially trained service partners strengthen the ROBEL team and are responsible for after-sales services close to the customer. Maintenance. The performance of a machine is linked to its maintenance degree. ROBEL develops a tailored maintenance schedule for each of its products. This schedule defines servicing intervals and serves to maintain the functionality and operational safety of a machine. Recertification investigations are carried out in-house by our trained staff. As a manufacturer and service partner, ROBEL will make sure that easy access for maintenance work and fault analyses are taken into consideration in the design stage of a machine. The history will show all faults of a machine from the day it is commissioned. In addition to that, the alarm list on the control panel will indicate to the vehicle driver where a problem occurs. A simple telephone call will often suffice to clear a fault. In-house crane and hoisting equipment make it possible to safely hoist heavy machines for maintenance work on machine undersides. Maintenance procedures, assembly and spare parts availability follow a strict schedule so that deadlines can be met reliably. The repaired machine is adjusted and tested on the company's own track system, which is connected to the public railway network. Machines which have been brought to our premises for maintenance will also be upgraded to the latest technology at the customer's request. ROBEL has special facilities to be able to carry out all maintenance and servicing work at high quality and in the shortest time. ROBEL offers exactly what you require: expertise in design and manufacturing, qualified staff, on-time execution, certified performance, troubleshooting. The customer expects his service partner to respond straight away and repair faults speedily, since machine downtimes cost money. Trained ROBEL staff locate and diagnose faults over the telephone and establish their causes. Our service engineers repair faults unbureaucratically at the customer site or at the ROBEL premises so that the machine is back in service as soon as possible. Revision, recertification inspections. ROBEL carries out revisions and recertification inspections stipulated by law on wheel sets, bogies and complete machines. This type of preventive maintenance retains the functionality of a machine and is a prerequisite for trouble-free operation. ROBEL uses calibrated instruments and original manufacturer documentation for all its servicing work. The resulting service quality ensures a significantly longer life of the machine. ROBEL is continuously investing in the optimization of work processes, such as the reprofiling of wheel discs on the complete wheel set, in order to be able to provide a fast and cost-efficient service. The wheel set press enables wheel and brake discs to be pressed on both sides using laser measuring and logging. As a certified manufacturer, ROBEL offers machine modifications, post-accident repairs and machine retrofits. The company reviews the technical feasibility, which will provide the customer with a basis for making a decision and assessing economic efficiency. Spare parts. ROBEL exclusively uses tested spare and wearing parts. Efficient material planning forms the basis for work being carried out on time. If required, our service staff will draw up spare part proposals at short notice using the original machine documentation. The parts will be installed in the supplied product at our premises or shipped to customers and workshops worldwide. Customer-specific solutions. Retrofits are an economical alternative to new investment. Components getting a bit long in the tooth are replaced by newly developed technology. Electrics, hydraulics and pneumatics are updated to the state-of-the-art. If requested, ROBEL will also implement special modifications and integrate additional functions. The result: new technology on a solid basis. Training. You have to know your equipment to use it efficiently. ROBEL offers training as part of machine commissioning as well as product training in-house or on-site at the customer's premises. Experts with long-time know-how instruct operators. Handling and maintenance are communicated in a practical and comprehensible way. The better the training, the less the accident risk and the chance of mal-operation. Professional maintenance and repair avoid machine downtimes. Service partners. ROBEL cooperates with service partners all over the world in order to provide an even faster service on-site. ROBEL-trained companies will provide commissioning services, operator training and maintenance work where they are needed, close to the customer. Ongoing communication with all service partners, reporting throughout, and the use of original spare parts ensure that the high service standard is maintained every time and everywhere. Your ROBEL service. Highly qualified, highly experienced, fit for service at short notice, certified, on schedule, close to the customer. ROBEL, more than just a manufacturer, your 360-degree service partner.